on, YouTube? Welcome to our new channel. I guess it's a new channel, but it's a new title. This is Mike and Shelby, and this is our channel, DIY Home and Garden.
Yeah, we changed the channel because in our previous videos, we were planning to relocate to Ghana, whether that be part-time or full-time, but our mind has changed because of personal reasons, and we are not moving to Ghana. So we are creating a new channel, doing what we always been doing, which is things in the house, redecorating or gardening, especially gardening, mainly gardening, or anything DIY.
So yeah, we're just taking this channel to, I guess, a different area, but it's something that we've always done. So it's like, it's not new to us. So
we hope you like the content. We're starting off all new because we sold a lot of stuff because we thought we were going to Ghana. So we had to purchase new stuff, which is, it's okay, but it's not okay. But I'm glad we still have our house, our sanity, our peace, our life, our kids, our family, our grandkids. We have it all. Our jobs, our businesses, we still, picked up right where we left off at. And we are very much at peace right now. So please enjoy our channel. We hope you stay subscribed, or if you're new to the channel, that you hit the like button and you do subscribe. What you will find in this channel is a lot of gardening. I love gardening. You'll see us, the real us, in this channel.
Yeah, and what you just saw was like just doing some DIY projects. We're trying to do the side, I guess they call it the side porch, where I was trying to level it off a little bit just to lay down some rocks or mulch or something. So right now we're just at Home Depot, just going around looking for some things, because when you start doing it, you think you have enough material,
right?
But then we had to take a break and then come out and buy more, which is convenient.
Yeah.
So
the store is not too far from the house, so we just go and check out what we can find. And here we are in Home Depot, just browsing around the garden area.
You go in for one thing, and then you end up like, okay, I could use this. Like this wheelbarrow. I had the wheelbarrow with the one wheel in the front, and that was it was rough. So we ended up having to purchase a new wheelbarrow, and
a better one, a sturdier one.
Yeah. And my wife could tell you about the plants, and I don't know the names of all these plants and stuff like that.
We needed to redo the backyard because it needed some attention. Because again, we thought we were moving to Ghana, so we weren't really taking care of the backyard like we used to, because we didn't want to put too much effort into it. Just keeping it maintained was enough. But now that we're not going, I need my backyard the way I want it. So here I am picking out what I want to plant in the backyard. So there's some bushes, some trees that I want back there.
What's the name of those? You know what those are?
No, I'm not going to do all of that.
Oh.
I don't have the names of them offhand, but those are just shrubs and trees. The crepe myrtle, I know, is one of them, and that one of them blooms purple flowers, and one of them blooms pink flowers.
Topsoil.
So we're heading over by the mulch and I guess the topsoil and all that kind of stuff. And I'm not sure what we're picking out. We're picking out something over there, but I think it's topsoil.
Yeah, I think we got topsoil for the area. And so, yeah, that's that one wheelbarrow right there. You see it's still sitting right there. But now we're trying to plant some flowers, bushes, what we just purchased.
Yeah, and here I am coming up with some color, a pop of color coming into the little flower bed on the other side that we're going to redo. And those, I believe they come back again when you plant them.
What do they call when they come back again?
Perennials.
Perennials? Okay.
So I'm just looking at them, trying to decide where I want to put them.
So yeah, this will make many trips trying to get all that topsoil down and digging these holes, planting these plants and all that stuff.
So I found a good spot where I found a home for them. So I'm moving the mulch to the side and adding some topsoil and mixed with some fertilizer and planting the plants so they could
Look at the music is playing.
So Mike over here is digging up holes for some of the plants that we got.
Cooper. All right, I don't know if y'all noticed, but it was a little break in between that. But that was our dog Cooper in the background barking, so we had to get him situated.
For no reason.
Yeah, so
yeah. So right here, Mike is planting the Mexican petunias. So I got some Mexican petunias that he's gonna plant lining up against the fence. And see the fence, that's our new fence we just got put up as well. We needed a new fence, so we broke down and got to install the fence.
Yeah, I think we got maybe a short video that we can show some of the fence that they did, and they came back and stained it and everything, so we'll be able to see that.
Yeah, so on this side is the Mexican petunias, which are hardy purple flowers, and I got them lined on the side, and then I also have a knockout rose bush as well as two other small bushes. And on the left side over there where the green is my greenhouse, and it's been up for a while, but we'll show you a video of Mike actually building that greenhouse for me.
And now when I'm putting whatever the name of them are, when I'm putting them in, I'm trying to keep them in a line, like from the top. I don't know, they look like they was lined up to me. So I'm just making sure everything is in line all the way down. Of course, we had to move some stuff out the way while we was working. But she had already put them where she wanted them, so I was just trying to keep them in line. So like I said, this is something that we've always done anyway. So this new channel was like, it was real easy for us to go right into it.
Right.
And not having to wait on Ghana content and go over and go through the whole house build and not knowing what was going to be next. And
right.
So
this is daily work for us. Yeah, the Ghana content, it can get like real frustrating sometimes, and it just is really not what we really wanted to do. So we're comfortable with doing this, and we hope that you enjoy our videos to come.
And right there, that's when my wife is telling me it's not straight. I'm like, it's straight with the first one, but I thought it was straight. All right, so we putting those are the pavers. I think we had went to get some more pavers. I don't know if we're going back to get some more, but those are the pavers we're using for like the little walkway going towards the, I guess the outdoor sitting area, porch, whatever you call it. So you see me bringing in the pavers in a minute to put everything down. And we had to put the ground cover. Of course, you put the ground cover down first
to prevent some weeds from coming up. And what we should have did was put some sand down first and then put the stones, the pea gravel down, but we did not, but we will be correcting that soon.
Yeah. 'Cause I was just gonna just put that down and not think about leveling it, but yeah, to do it right, just go ahead and level out as much as you can level out. Put the ground cover down, and then put the sand with the rocks and the pavers, all that. Just do it right the first time.
And we thought we were doing it right, but it just seems like the rocks were sliding back and forth a little bit too much, and then the weeds started to come back up a little bit as well, even though we use a medium grade quality ground cover down there right now. And our backyard is kind of hilly, so it's on like a little bit of a down slope, but it's not until the end of the backyard is like that. But yeah, we got to work with what we can. And that right there, Mike is still bringing in the pavers, so just to line them up to see where we're actually going to be walking on them.
And that's that wheelbarrow just full of water because it had rained probably a couple days before, so we're still going to use that water. But this one I got back, we didn't take a video of them putting the pea gravel in the truck. I think it was one scoop, and they call that the quarry.
Yeah, the rock quarry. It was
quarry.
Like a place where landscapers, homeowners go to get in big bulk quantity of landscaping material.
Yeah, so they do it in like what they call scoops. So it's this big, I guess like a dump truck or whatever. It's
a big old shovel.
Yeah,
and they
scoops it up, excavator or whatever we call it.
Mm-hmm.
And they scoop it up and they put one scoop in your truck or whatever. And by the time you get this, or if I would have did the equivalent of bags at one of the Lowe's or Home Depot or something, it would have been too many bags. But this one scoop
was enough.
And it was cheaper than buying all those bags.
Yeah.
So I'll be going in and out, scooping it out, putting it in the wheelbarrow, and taking it on to the backyard.
Right.
Which I think is easier than taking those bags and putting the bags in the wheelbarrow and then taking it.
Yeah, because when you get the bags from Home Depot or Lowe's, it's a lot of dust in the bottom of them. So you're really not getting, all rocks. You're getting a lot of crushed rocks that are turning to dust. So when they, dump the rocks in your truck, you're getting all rocks.
Right. So I'm not sure how many trips it was to get all of that done, but that's where we are right now. That's how it looks. That's how everything is set up. We've actually changed it, but you get the gist of it. That's about how it looks right now. So y'all tell us what y'all think about it. Make sure you like, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
Leave a comment, like what we could have done differently. How would you have done it? And just let us know.
Right. We're trying to get our life back together, back in the States, recouping from Ghana. But, it's all good.
So if y'all have any feedback, make sure y'all leave a message. All right?
Thanks for watching.
Bye.